Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create website templates to sell, for example, on Etsy or on your website, like a digital product. So to do this, you will need to open up a website, blank website. As you can see, there are only like a templates, but when you open up a blank one, the sizing of it is 1366768. And now you want to create a home page. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and create our menu. So the menu is usually at the top, well, and looks something like that with a line at the top. Now we need to choose our theme, what type of colors you will have. So I'm just gonna make it black and the writing will be white. Now we need a text. So I'm just gonna use this one and I'm gonna write down your logo here, like so, and add it somewhere here. Now we need to change the color of this. Now we need to add a home page and so on and so forth. So let's make it somewhere here. Write down home and change the font, for example, to this one. Home, then you're gonna write down, it really depends on what type of website you are creating, but usually it's like products or blog or both. We can write down both, but it's always that contact page, maybe some FAQ page. I'm just gonna make it the same spacing between them. So you write down your menu and then we're gonna create like a sign up button. So I'm just gonna change the color of it. Let's change this one too. Maybe to something like so. And now you're gonna make like a sign up button with a border and the corner routing can be like this. We can also do is animate everything, but first I'm just gonna write down sign up or anything like a call to action. Now we're gonna add a frame. So we could insert a photo here, which would be our background. You can do not for the whole page. We can do this like so and write down a description somewhere here, but mostly it's a photo or a video even. I'm just gonna make the position to the back. And now let's search for some videos. So I'm just gonna add this video here, which will be my background for this website. Now you're gonna write down here the description. So you write something like so, edit the alignment, depends on what, where you want to put it. You can always delete the video, for example, and just leave it like so. But of course, for the listing photos where you will be selling it, you will need this. And now when you create it, all you do is click on share and you can then click more. And as you can see, there is a template link. So you want to use that like a template link, create a template link, and then you will have it. You're going to copy it and put it to your PDF where you will upload it to, for example, Etsy. And that's basically how you create a website template. So then you can create like services, products, blog, contact pages, sign up pages, add them to basically have them all here, and then of course create a template link. And yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.